Neil, check out what I got here. I have this. This is 200 floor mat things for the car. So like when you like go to the store and stuff, and or the auto shop, and you get your car done, you can go and put, you know, they always come back with these papers on it to keep it clean while you're working on it or whatnot. So let's see what one of these looks like here. I'll open it up here if I can. There we go. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is it here. It says ICWEIMEI or ICWEIMEI, I don't know. Good luck to you. Please drive carefully. So there we go. So and you can put it right there on the floor, so whenever you do some work, it will have a nice little look for it. So how cool is that? And it's made out of like a construction kind of paper. It's a little bit thicker than regular paper. Definitely a recycled kind of material. Probably somewhat absorbent and stuff too. So it's nice. I like it. Thumbs up.